To fix poor soil issues, one of the things we need to do is focus on the soil's health by giving it things that promote the organisms inside of it, the earthworms, the microfauna. We need to promote them to do their job better. How we do that is we give the soil organic matter, humic acid, compost, stuff of that nature, and it will help amend that soil and make it a lot better. So when we do have our regular soils, they do go hydrophobic a little bit more just because they don't have the amended properties. They're kind of stripped of nutrients, or the nutrients are all locked up. As we amend them, they really start to perform a lot better, and they won't go hydrophobic and cause these places that are dry. It's not because it's into the natural soil versus the topsoil. You can amend it and it doesn't get hydrophobic as easily. Any soil can technically go hydrophobic and repel water and have dry spots, and there are simple fixes for that. One of the things I don't like is that people are adding topsoil to their lawn. So they have this nutrient-rich substrate that's 2, 3, maybe 6 inches deep, but now the roots want to stay in that versus going down in our natural soils. It creates this little pocket where roots will get condensed and they want to live in. I like it when people take their natural soil and amend it to be better. So yes, you can definitely do it. Let's talk about it. DM me, follow me on Instagram, and check out my YouTube channel, The Greener Lawn. It's good stuff.